Good morning. Here's a quick video of my Techsew 2900 leather patch sewing machine and cobbler's machine. I've had this for about 14 years, have had no problems with it whatsoever. It's actually made for sewing shoes. Sometimes I need a flatbed. Shout out to Jonathan for making this flatbed attachment for me. And I'm going to show you how this works. So, with this little attachment right here, it completely swivels 360 degrees. So I've got this patch right here. I'm going to sew on this gentleman's leather jacket. With this machine, you can get into the pockets. This particular vest has an interior pocket that also has a hand pocket. So I want this patch on top of this. So what I'm going to do is put it in here. I can reach inside the pocket. And then what we're going to do is just completely sew right around this patch. Doesn't have reverse, so you have to kind of do it yourself. And then it pulls from the upper feed dogs, not the lower feed dogs. So we'll just make a little back tack. And then drive right around this patch. And when we're done, he'll be able to use all of his pockets. So I stop on the curves, pivot around, and I can drive it completely around on me. Keeping the vest straight, and just completely drive around the patch. So it looks perfect. You can make it go really slow, so I can actually stop on the up, and then so I'm not even lifting the presser foot. It has clutch-driven servo motor, so it makes it very easy to control the speed. So as you can see, I'm just driving right around the patch. You can tell I'm turning the direction on the upstroke because that's how the feed dogs are working. And it has a brake. I love the brake. So that's how this works. This is an amazing machine. I've actually sewn inside people's shoes with this. I can sew inside pockets. I can sew down sleeves. I can, with the power of this machine, I can sew pretty much through multiple thicknesses of leather. Come into the end here. And I will back tack since it doesn't have a reverse. And there we have it. Perfectly sewn on patch, and I will take these and I will tie them, pull them to the other side, whatever we need to do. Now he has complete use of this pocket and this pocket. So just thought I'd let you know about this machine. It's pretty awesome. Y'all have a good day.